Got up YouTube, it's SLS, aka Scott. We lost a box of Bowman Chrome. So, wait, C was one of your cards, show what you pulled. Not upload that video. So, recap. He actually got 2 autos. I'll show. He got the USA dual auto. He got another, like, the main hits were Bubba Starling, Lance McCullers dual auto, numbered 500. The Robbie Erlin refractor auto, numbered to 500. He also busted a few past the LCS. The Danius Hekavara auto, so he did decent. 18 packs. Now, probably sending the wrappers. Looking for Straz. Odds are it's gonna be a no-name auto. Just bust it. We'll get some nice color stuff. These cards are so like, and couple. Got a refractor of Zach Wheeler. We're at 449, 499. Couple Bowman Chromes. So weird. They're like backwards. Oh, the first backwards. Ooh, this is nice. Chapman Chrome. Like Zwane Chrome. Gary Sanchez. Seattle is like the 3rd card. Usually. USA, Christine Lopes. Craig Clark. I don't really know many of these players. Jose. Shelby Miller. Corbin Joseph, John Stinson. They probably have around half the box. So, Dylan Maples, Liam Hendricks, Taylor Sinclair. There's an extra card unless it's a checklist. It's like an extra base, 3 base. Ryan Valero, Matt Davidson.
You usually get like a gold per box.
No, gold. We could get some type of color maybe, but not. Philip Pfeiffer III, Raleigh Bishop, Anderson Hidalgo.
Yeah, you got like some color.
Yeah, we didn't get even a refractor.
Oh, you did of a base.
Oh, like insert Jeremy Barnes, Tim Pahoda. At least we're gonna send him these wrappers and get to Harper. It's gonna happen. Johan Fland, Simon Castro. This might be the worst box ever.
Starling Castro.
I don't know. Yan Gomes, Kyle Gibson. Robinson Chernos, Vince, something. There's 5 packs left. We haven't hit any type of color or any type of auto. There's the auto.
The guy I got.
I think this is the guy. Yeah, this is what you just pulled. Robbie Erlin auto.
Yeah.
I got the non-refractor version. Terrible. At least get like, at least give me a Strasburg rookie. Something decent. A couple just Bowman Chromes. Mitchell, 2-pack. So we haven't got any type of anything? Doesn't even make sense. This pack was backwards. Taylor Green, Ethan Hollingsworth. Last pack. Better have like a red refractor. Oh no, here's a refractor. First refractor, second refractor. We got like a rare. Josh Donaldson, Grant, whatever. So if you, I don't know, no one's gonna want any of these cards. Alright, thanks for watching. Alright, peace.